Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies from the multiple government degree colleges, guys. So actually this notice released by one of the state service commission, okay, and all over the India you may apply from any state, so there is no necessity of applying only from the home state, guys. So that's why it is any Indian citizen with necessary qualifications you may apply for this one. And as assistant professor level 10 category, here the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. It is from Tripura Public Service Commission, guys. So actually a couple of months back we got one notification from the Tripura Public Service Commission regarding the 40 permanent assistant professor vacancies. So here the same thing, but here one additional new notice released for this one. Okay, a few qualifications also changed. Okay, so we will see that one completely in this video, guys. So please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. Fine. So here Assistant Professor Group A Gazetted Government Degree Colleges under the Education Department, Government of Tripura, in the scale of revised pay of 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees in the academic level 10 of the 7th CPC. And coming to the subject vacancies, all are the permanent. So the subjects are Bengali, English, Political Science, Education, History, Sanskrit, Human Physiology, Zoology and Botany. Okay. So from these subjects, the total number of vacancies are 40 are there, and these vacancies are distributed as per the caste category here. So you may check down. And coming to the educational and the other qualifications, so mostly here the qualifications are master's degree with 55% of marks. Along with that one, the candidates must have the UGC or the CSIR NET or the SLET or SET qualification must be there. So if the candidate is having the PhD, then those candidate will be exempted from the NET qualification. Right? So these are the things what they mentioned here, and there is a relaxation, guys. And here one more note is that NET, SLET or SET shall not be required for such master's degree program in disciplines for which this examinations is not conducted by the UGC or the CSIR. Okay, so few subjects, actually NET examination is conducting for the 81 subjects. Okay, few subjects there is no NET exam. So those subjects which don't have the NET exam, a master's degree is enough for those disciplines. And while coming to the master's as well as the bachelor's degree, 5% of relaxation is provided based upon the caste category as well as few parameters that you may check down. And coming to the age limit is 40 years as on 22 March 2021. And out of this age limit, few relaxation is provided, that is 5 years for the SC, ST, PH, okay, and the government servants. Okay, few age relaxation is also provided here, you may check down. And the date of submission of online application form is 18th Feb 2021 to 22 March 2021. So actually this date is over, but regarding this extension of the last date is updated in the website, okay, as well as few modification in the qualification also updated in the website that we will see, okay, after this PDF, guys. And the candidates have to submit the online application in portal only, okay, and online application available in the website from 18th Feb to 22 Feb, and I will show you the revised last date here. And the candidates who are working at somewhere, and if you are applying for this one, you have to bring the no objection certificate, guys. And coming to the selection procedure is mentioned here. Okay, the overall selection procedure shall incorporate the transparent, objective and credible methodology of analysis. Okay, so that you may check down as per the APA score. That means as per this APA score, they are going to select for this one. And here one thing is that there is no written test for this one, guys. Candidates for shortlisting for interview for the post of assistant professor in the colleges. So based upon this criteria, you will be directly called for the interview. So there is no written test. Fine. And coming to the extension notice, okay, that we got here, okay, addendum. Commission's advertisement for recruitment of post of assistant professor group A, gazetted government degree colleges under the education department. So few modifications are there here. For the post of assistant professor in education department in degree colleges, candidates who are having NET select or PhD in education besides MA education or the MEd, and MS in life science post graduation degree holders with NET or select are eligible to apply for the post of assistant professor in botany, zoology, human physiology with specialization in the botany, zoology or the human physiology. And graduation in political science and post graduation in public administration with a NET JRF qualification may be considered for the faculty position in the political science. And MS in molecular biology and bioinformatics with a NET qualification for the post of assistant professor in human physiology or the zoology or the botany. Okay, so these are the few more, these candidates can also apply for these mentioned departments. Okay, that is the addendum here. And one more thing point is also added. Candidates are allowed to submit the online application up to 15th May 2021. Okay, 5:30, and the last date of receiving the necessary documents or hard copy is 31st May 2021. So here the online application form for this one is again opened, guys. Okay, for the assistant professor category. Okay, so all the interested candidates may apply again, and please check down the few more additional qualifications here. If you are having these qualifications also, then you may apply for these mentioned departments. Okay, and remember the last date is 15th May 2021 for the online application submission, and the last date for submission of the hard copy is 31st May 2021. And you may check down, it is the advertisement number 1/2021. And to apply for this one, see notification for advertisement number 1/2021 regarding the date is extended up to 15th May 2021. So if you want to apply for this one, then if you are the new user, so click on this one, guys, and then you will get the password and username, all these things. Based upon the username and the password, you have to enter here and then start filling up the online application form, guys. Okay, so please share this important video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government universities, the to permanent post, guys. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so you may listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide